Okay, listen children, listen the video. Simplifying ratios of different units only we are learning. Okay. So before simplify the ratio, we have to see whether both the units are same. So yesterday we have seen how to change kilogram to gram and hours to minutes and rupees to paisa. That only we have seen now. So today we are going to see how to change the meter into centimeter. Here, say example 1, 200 centimeter is to 3 meter, or the question may given as 200 centimeter to 3 meter. So we are going to see whether both the units are same. Here centimeter, here meter means, is the unit same? No. So different unit. So which is the smaller unit here? Centimeter is the smaller unit. So we have to convert the meter into centimeter. So we already know in 5th standard 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. So likewise here is 3 meter. So 3 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 300 centimeter. So now convert this meter into centimeter here. So 200 centimeter is to 300 centimeter. Now see on both the sides there is same unit, centimeter only. So now remove the units and write in the ratio. So 200 is to 300. So to simplify the ratio, what we have to do? We have to write in fraction only. So 200 by 300. So 20 get cancelled. So in numerator 20 common and denominator 20 common. So both get cancelled. So remaining number is 2 by 3. 0 cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனா remaining என்ன number இருக்கு? 2 3 மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So 2 by 3. At last we have to write in what form? Ratio form. So that is 2 is to 3. So this is the simplification of 200 centimeter is to 3 meter. Understood now? As next another one example. Example 2. (130 centimeter to 1 meter). So what the question means? Write the ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter. So here 130, first write in ratio 130 centimeter is to 1 meter. So listen, on both the sides, is it the unit are same? No, the unit is different. Here is centimeter and here is meter. So what I told, so we have to change the bigger unit into smaller unit first. So meter only we are going to change into centimeter. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 130 centimeter is to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now remove the units. Then write in ratio alone 130 is to 100. So next step we are going to simplify this ratio. 130 by 100. So how many zeros are common in both numerator and denominator? Only 1 0 is common. Cancel that 0. Okay. So remaining what number is there in the numerator? 1 3 13. 1 0 10. So 13 and 10 is remaining. Does it goes any other division? So is this undergoes any other division in any other common table? No. So answer is 30 is to 10. So this is the simplification of 130 centimeter to 1 meter. Then example 3. 1 meter to 50 centimeter. 1 meter to 50 centimeter. So check whether there is same unit. No. So which is a bigger unit here? Meter. Meter is the bigger unit. We are going to convert bigger unit to small unit, centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter to 50 centimeter. So write this in ratio. 100 centimeter is to 50 centimeter. Now remove the units. 100 is to 50. So we are going to simplify the ratio now. So write in fraction 100 by 50. How many zeros are common? Only one zero. Cancel that zero. So remaining what number is there in the numerator? 10 is there. Write the 10 and then the remaining number denominator 5 is there. 10 by 5. So it goes another more division. So 5 table is common for both 10 and 5. So 10 and 5 both divide by 5. So 5 how many times? 2 5s are 10. 1 5s are 5. So now we simplify. So that at last we have to write in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay. Then another one example. Fourth example. So here 5 kilometer, 400 meter to 6 kilometer. Okay. So here this one is kilometer, this one is kilometer. Here given meter. So what we have to do? We have to change the kilometer to meter. Both kilometer to meter. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer is equal 5000 meter. Here also meter is there. Plus 400 meter to 6 kilometer is equal 6000 meter. Understood? So we have converted everything to single unit. So now add this one. So these are same ratio. 2 is there in between there. So this is the single ratio, that is 5400 meter is to 6000 meter. Okay. Now remove the units. 5400 is to 6000. So now simplify the ratio. 5400 divided by 6000. So now how many zeros are common here? Here 2 0, here 2 0. 2 0, 2 0 get cancelled. So remaining what number in the numerator? 54. And then remaining what number in the denominator? 60. So 54 by 60, it undergoes simplification and it divides by what number? It goes by 3 table. Okay, so 3 by 3. 54 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. Remainder 2, 24. 8 3s are 24. Remainder 0. So here 80 by 60 divided by 3 means 20. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 0 goes there. 20 times. So again this is divided by 2. If we divide that by 2, 9 2s are 80 and 10 2s are 20. Does it undergoes any other simplification 9 by 10? No, it does not undergoes any other simplification. So answer is 9 is to 10. Understood, children? So listen. If you don't understand, listen the video again and again, and then you can understand. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.